get Daddy.
Give Mommy your ball? He dropped his cracker. And he's like, where did it go? Did you drop your cracker?
Blends in with the carpet.
Where did it go?
Do you see it?
Carter, where's your cracker? I don't have it. Where did it go, buddy dude?
Daddy have your ball?
He's still looking for his cracker. He's like, I just had it.
Unless it went down his shirt.
Where did it go?
Where's Dado?
Carter, here it is. Here it is. Look. Come here. It's on the floor.
Yay!
Yay! I got my cracker! Yay!
Oh.
Daddy.
Yay. Thank you. Ready?
Good boy.
Set. Carter. Move out of the way.
Uh-oh, where'd it go?
I'll get it. Say, I'll get it.
Get your ball.
Moved.
Like, oh, look. Found toys.
Yeah.
Get that out of my way. He's trying. You can't reach
can't
it.
Daddy, help you.
Yay!
Daddy.
Daddy!
Get down your ball. He's faking. Here. Thank you. Yay! Give Daddy your ball.
He's gonna put it back under there.
No, don't do it. Daddy.